Alright, here we are. Got some trenches dug for plumbing. Plumbing guys are going really slow. The trench, though, for the electrical is going quick. We got machines, not people. This is all trenched in for the lights at like 20 inches. That one goes to the light over there. And that one goes all the way to the deep end light. And the plumbers are going to get some more material, and you can see they just delivered all the backfill sand so that we can get this set to grade for the pavers. And we've excavated even more fill dirt over here. Quite the pile. Had like 2 inches of rain last night. Place is a giant disaster. But it is all going to be cleaned up pretty quick here. Kids are doing arts and crafts, wondering when the pool is going to be full. That's what we got there. Oh yeah, it rained last night. There's a foot of water in the bottom of the pool, which is fine.